What's up everybody, DeAngelo here, and this video is going to be on how I've made thousands of dollars off that story where the black girl who thinks she's white, and how you guys can do the exact same thing and get a crap ton of traffic, and all type of stuff. A lot of positive stuff. So just let's go over what really makes a good campaign. First, let's go over why this is so big. Why does everybody know who this chick is now, right? Look at this. This is just some of the videos I found, right? So this video right here, 750,000 views. We go over here to the Deji's, right? 509,000 views. We go over here to PewdiePie, 7 million views. We go over here to Dr. Phil, another 3 million views. We go over to Breakfast Club, 500,000 views. All of these people are covering. Now, this doesn't count all the small channels, all the stuff on Facebook, on Twitter, Instagram. No, this is just like 5 videos, and literally millions of people have already seen it from just 5 videos. Think about that. That is mind-blowing. And then we got all the people, that are covering the story over here, right? So we can scroll down. You see all the other channels promoting, talking about this story here. So why is this getting so much, so much coverage? Why are so many people talking about this? And it's simple, because it's negative as fuck. People love negativity. I don't care what anyone says. People love negativity. If you can get a campaign or something going in a negative niche, or something where you can spin it to give it a negative effect, people are going to eat that up. That's like the whole thing with the Hillary's emails, right? Why were so many people freaking out about that? Like, oh, Hillary's emails this, emails that. Why do so many people don't fuck with Trump? Oh, because he says like the most fucked up shit to people. Like, he'll call someone a stupid ass immigrant. He'll like tell like the KKK members they're fine members for walking the street, and beating black people. Like, he'll call Africa a shithole country. He'll just say some outrageously dumbass nonsense, and people will eat it up because it's positive. Because it's negative. Now, if you say something positive, people aren't going to try to hear that shit. People don't like positivity. That's like those videos where they're handing out money, right? Where they always like giving out money or whatever. Like, oh, let's say 100 for you, 100 for you, 100 for you, 100 for you. Like, let's say they give away $100,000 in that video to homeless people. There are going to be a shit ton of people in the comment section. Why would you record it? If you really wanted to do it, for to be a good person, you wouldn't need to record it and blah blah. And so I say all that stupid shit, right? Yet those same people, if you go over and you say, take this story here for example, or a fight video, how come you didn't record the whole thing? Negative, positive, right? So you really need something in that negative light, guys, or something where you can put a spin on it, because people eat negativity up. If you yell fight, everybody's gonna look that way. Now, if you say, "Oh, that girl over there is drawing a painting of a pony," nobody's gonna look at that shit. They're not gonna share that on Facebook. People will share videos of people getting shot, getting killed, getting raped, dogs getting killed, animals being abused, women being abused, fights. Like, they will share all this negative shit. But if you go and have something like where it's positive, or someone giving back to the community or something, that shit will never take off. Never. Obviously, you got some cases, whatever, but for the most part, never gonna take off. You can have 2 videos, one talking about positivity and one talking about negativity. Guarantee the negative one will just take off. That's like if you take a video and you just say a bunch of reckless nonsense about Trump, call him a racist, just say a bunch of really crazy ass shit about that man, it will take off. You can say the reverse and say a whole bunch of positive shit about that man, and it will take off, because everything's really divided with dude. So he's like a really good thing to target as well if you are looking for a negative slash positive put a spin on stuff there, whatever. But yeah, guys, these stories here, will make you thousands of dollars. All you got to do is just put the content out there, and literally it will take off just like that. You can, if you're late, like in the game, like right here, like it's kind of late or whatever, but you can take it, put a YouTube Facebook ad on it, blow it up just like that. You probably wouldn't have to spend no more than a couple of bucks on that, because people will share it and share it and share it and share it and share it, and you're gonna literally get millions of people to see your stuff 100% free. All right, so if you got any questions, just drop them down below. I know I did do a lot of talking in this one here, but yeah, guys, like I said, you can make a crap ton of money off of these type of stories here, and all you got to do is literally just find something that's really negative and just promote it, right? And then obviously you got to be able to monetize what you're promoting, but for the most part, it's not going to be hard. I mean, all of these people who are focusing on this are going to be literally of every like genre you can think of. Like, so there are going to be people who are looking for loans. There are going to be people who, let's say you got a YouTube channel, you're trying to blow the YouTube channel up. Like, it could be anything along those lines, right? Like, I actually think I might create a YouTube channel just talking complete fucking ignorance, just to show you guys that talking negative can literally make you thousands of dollars, right? But that is pretty much it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And again, if you got any questions, simply drop them down below.